This video, and its associated YouTube shorts, are focused primarily on the most serious potential adverse events, or side effects, of this product. These selected highlights do not include all the information needed to use this product safely and effectively. The information presented is sourced from both the manufacturer's consumer and healthcare professional websites, as well as the FDA Approved Prescribing Information. You can review this information yourself, in full, by following the links provided below in the description section of this video. There are risks and benefits with the use of every medicine or device. Generally speaking, users who experience serious side effects of any medication or device should contact your healthcare provider or seek medical attention immediately. Always consult your healthcare provider before stopping or making changes to your medications. Georgetown University's Health Policy Institute reported that 66%, or 130 million adults in the United States, take a prescription drug. There is no doubt that these drugs have helped millions of people. And it is generally understood that all FDA-approved products have both risks and benefits. However, these are not always thoroughly explained to every patient or their caregiver. In fact, the independent think tank Nuffield Trust reported on several hospital surveys conducted with their patients. The patients were asked if a staff member had told them about medication side effects to watch for when they went home. Of those who answered the surveys, 40% said they were not told while in the urgent care center or the ER. And only 28% of hospital inpatients stated they received an explanation of the potential side effects. Patients have the right to know about the side effect profile or the medications they are being asked to take, because they can have a severe negative impact on their health. According to the CDC, adverse drug events cause approximately 1.3 million emergency department visits each year. Of those, about 350,000 each year need to be hospitalized for further treatment for adverse drug events. A 2014 Harvard University article by Dr. Donald Light stated, quote, "About 328,000 patients in the U.S. and Europe die from prescription drugs each year." With this lack of education for the patient, it is even more critical to know when a medication has potentially serious or even life-threatening side effects. That's why the FDA warns patients and healthcare providers about these potential issues. They do this by issuing a specific type of warning called a black box warning. Pharmafactz.com states that a black box warning, often referred to as simply a box warning, is the strongest warning issued by the FDA in the United States on drugs that carry specific health risks, serious or life-threatening adverse effects. The Cleveland Clinic further states that a black box may also be used to communicate important instructions for safe use of the drug. And the National Library of Medicine advises that there are over 400 different medications that have black box or box warnings. So that begs the question, if there are over 400 medications currently on the market with black box warnings, how frequently are they prescribed to patients? Well, according to the Pharmacy Times website, one study found that within a 2.5-year period, more than 40% of patients received at least one medication that carried a black box warning. The Ozempic consumer website states that the most important thing you should know is that it may cause serious side effects. At the top of the Ozempic prescribing information document, the FDA has alerted the reader by using a black box warning entitled, "Warning, Risk of Thyroid C-cell Tumors." According to the manufacturer's website, in studies with rodents, Ozempic and medicines that work like Ozempic cause thyroid tumors, including thyroid cancer. It is not known if Ozempic will cause thyroid tumors, or a type of thyroid cancer called MTC or medullary thyroid carcinoma, in people. Nevertheless, doctors are instructed to counsel patients regarding the potential risk of MTC and the symptoms of thyroid tumors. They include getting a lump or swelling in your neck, shortness of breath, and hoarseness or trouble swallowing. In addition to the black box warning for the risk of thyroid C-cell tumors, Ozempic also has 6 additional side effects that are potentially serious. Number 1. Pancreatitis. The manufacturer's website states, in part, that acute and chronic pancreatitis have been reported in clinical studies. You may feel the pain from your stomach or abdomen area to your back. The user is instructed to stop using Ozempic and call your healthcare provider right away if you have severe pain in your stomach or abdomen area that will not go away, with or without vomiting. Number 2. Gallbladder disease. Ozempic is in a class of medications called GLP-1 receptor agonists. And according to the manufacturer's website, acute events of gallbladder disease such as gallstones or inflammation of the gallbladder have been reported in studies with this class of medications. In addition, it informs the reader that in placebo-controlled trials the incidence of gallstones was higher with Ozempic than placebo. The Ozempic consumer website also informs users that if gallstones is suspected, then gallbladder studies and appropriate clinical follow-up are indicated. And they are directed to tell their healthcare provider right away if they get symptoms which may include pain in the upper stomach or abdomen, if you are running a fever, if you are showing a yellowing of your skin or eyes, or if you observe clay-colored stools. Number 3. The consumer website warns that your risk for getting low blood sugar or hypoglycemia may be higher if you use Ozempic with another medicine that can cause low blood sugar, such as a sulfonylurea or insulin. Some signs and symptoms of hypoglycemia or low blood sugar may include shakiness, sweating, and headache, feeling drowsiness or weakness. If you experience lightheadedness, dizziness, confusion, slurred speech or blurred vision, hunger, irritability or mood swings. If you have anxiety, a fast heartbeat, or you're feeling jittery. Number 4. The manufacturer's website acknowledges that there have been reports of acute kidney injury and worsening of chronic kidney failure, which is also referred to as renal failure. This may sometimes require hemodialysis in patients treated with a GLP-1 receptor agonists, like Ozempic. Some of these events have been reported in patients without known underlying renal or kidney disease. In people who have kidney problems, diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting may cause a loss of fluids or dehydration, which may cause kidney problems to get worse. It is important for you to drink fluids to help reduce your chance of dehydration. Number 5. Serious allergic reactions. According to the manufacturer's website, reactions such as anaphylaxis and angioedema have been reported in patients treated with Ozempic. Users are warned to stop using Ozempic and get medical help right away if you have any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat, problems breathing or swallowing, very rapid heartbeat, feeling dizzy or fainting, or severe rash or itching. Number 6. Diabetic retinopathy. The National Institute for Health's website states that diabetic retinopathy is an eye condition that can cause vision loss and blindness in people who have diabetes. According to Ozempic's manufacturer's website, in a 2-year trial involving patients with type 2 diabetes and high cardiovascular risk, more events of diabetic retinopathy complications occurred in patients treated with Ozempic than placebo. The patients are also advised to tell their health care provider if they have changes in vision during treatment with Ozempic. Responsible healthcare providers will always educate their patients, or caregivers, about the possible side effects of this product and all others they prescribe. In particular, those which carry a black box warning for potential serious or life-threatening side effects. This video has only touched on a small portion of this product's approved label. There are studies listed in this product's prescribing information that have shown additional side effects. And the highlights mentioned in this video does not include all the information needed to use this product safely and effectively. Therefore, links to the complete FDA label information and manufacturer's product website have been provided in the description section below. We highly encourage you to read these documents in their entirety and refer all questions to a medical professional. In addition, we hope this information will help you have a better understanding of the potential side effects associated with this product, so you can have a more informative conversation with your healthcare provider. In the Ozempic playlist, you can find an abbreviated short video for each side effect mention. And please do share this video, or one of the respective shorts, with those who you believe might benefit. Due to the lack of allowable space in the description section of YouTube videos, you can find a link to this channel's video entitled Channel Disclaimer Information in the description section below. This will provide you with both our full disclaimer and contact information.